I have only one intention, to save as many people as possible from devils. If Division 4 succeeds tomorrow, we can inform the public. The news media. Every once in a while, Power needs to have her blood drained. Otherwise, her ego grows pregnant. She's far more selfish than usual. So do you mind, Denji? Can I borrow Power for a bit?
Alright, on your knees, Mortal Scum, and prove it to